So you want to make sure that you store your candle in a cool place inside your home, away from direct sunlight, checking the surface where you sit your candle as well. So ensuring that it's not on something that's really sensitive, that can be easily burnt. So just kind of paying attention to where you put it. You can always put it on top of something like a coaster. Make sure that you blow it out each and every time if you're going to be leaving a room or if you're going to be leaving the home. That's very important. If you don't have a candle smother, then you can also just use a lid and just place the lid right on top of your candle, and that'll actually kind of smother it and help it go out with ease. And then if you want to have the scent just kind of like permeating throughout your home without the candle lit, take the lid off, and there you go. So that is how you store your candle properly.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.